Hey there. Quick question. Do you know what the first most watched content on YouTube is in 2025? Nope, it's not gaming. It's not vlogs. It's not even tech reviews. It's kids' story videos. They're addictive, they're powerful, and they've built billion-dollar empires. Just look at the giants. Cocomelon, $120 million plus yearly revenue. Choo Choo TV, 90 million plus subs, 56 billion plus views. Ryan's World, a $250 million plus brand. Kids' content isn't just fun to watch, it's a big money machine. So stop wasting time in overcrowded niches in 2025 and tap into the untapped goldmine of kids' story videos. Because here's the truth, kids love watching them. Parents trust them. YouTube promotes them. It's the future of kids' learning and entertainment, and now you can profit from it. But here's the problem. Creating animated kids' videos used to be insanely hard. You needed scripts, you needed artwork and animation, you needed voiceovers and music, and hours of editing. No wonder only big studios could do it, until now. But not anymore. Introducing KidsTale AI, the world's first AI app that turns any idea or keyword into animated kids' short story videos in just minutes. No writing, no animation, no editing, no voice acting. Just enter a keyword, and boom, a magical story video is ready. And it works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, enter any idea, keyword, or choose a sample prompt. Step 2, let AI auto-generate your story, scenes, characters, voiceovers, music, and subtitles. Step 3, download or publish instantly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or sell as your own. That's it. 0 skills, 0 camera, 0 effort. Imagine this, creating bedtime story videos from your couch, uploading them to YouTube, and watching views, subscribers, and ad revenue grow, while AI does all the work. Or flipping your videos as DIY kids content packages to parents, teachers, coaches, and businesses, and charging $50 to $500 per video. And here's the kicker, it's not just big creators making money, even small channels with a few basic kids videos are racking up millions of views and thousands in ad revenue. You don't need followers, you don't need experience, you don't need editing skills. All you need is KidsTale AI. Here's why KidsTale AI is a game changer. Turn any idea or prompt into kids' short story videos, 100% done for you. Narration style or rhyming song style videos. Use ready-made sample prompts to kickstart instantly. Generate multiple scenes with auto voice, music, and subtitles.
Benny the bunny woke up with a hop, but his favorite hat was gone. Oh no, it must have dropped.
Multi-language support. Publish in any language. 50+ ready-made kids story templates included. Add 50+ kids-themed music and sound FX. Sell videos, publish on YouTube, or package into ebooks, PDFs, and more. Lifetime deal, no subscriptions. But here's the catch. This is a limited time launch deal. Once it ends, KidsTale AI will move to a monthly subscription. Wait too long, and you'll be stuck paying $199 a month or more. Right now, you're backed by our 30-day ironclad guarantee, so it's 0 risk. Plus, you get exclusive launch-only bonuses worth $5,999 absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below. Get instant lifetime access to KidsTale AI. Start creating magical kid story videos in minutes and turn this untapped goldmine into your empire. This is your moment. Let AI do the heavy lifting, while you enjoy the fame, followers, and fortune. Let's bring your first story to life with KidsTale AI.
Hi, my name is Everett. I am an English voice from the United States.
Meet Luma, the star fairy who paints the night sky. One night, a little star tumbles from the sky. Stuck on a tree, the star needs Luma's help.
Once Maya, a lively 14-year-old who loves snacks, trinkets, and comics, received an unexpected gift from her grandmother, an old, intricate jar.
Leo in the jungle. In the heart of a bright, beautiful jungle, he had a fluffy golden mane, big, curious eyes, and the tiniest roar you've roar. Monkeys giggling, parrots squawking playfully.
Meet Luma, the star fairy who paints the night sky.
A is for apple, red and round. A is for ant, marching on the ground.
In ancient lands where rivers glow, a fairy named Anaya left.
Meet Luma, the star fairy who paints the night sky.